There's a fantastic article published in Chest Journal about using your camera on your smartphone to record your children at home and the audible noises they make while they snore or gasp for air, choking for air over sleep apnea. And the article goes on to talk about using your smartphone camera to detect and, in some cases, diagnose sleep apnea, and that's accuracy being not that far off a polysomnography or in-hospital sleep study, or a pulse oximeter where you wear a little probe on your finger to measure the amount of oxygen in your blood. But the study falls, in my opinion, very far short in a general overview from a parent perspective. So speaking from a first-person point of view with 4 young little children, understanding who has sleep, yes, I know how important sleep is, but how many other people understand the importance of sleep and what poor sleep can do to both your health, wellness, and your ability to stay focused in school, as an example, for young children. So we thought we'd put this helpful video together to help not only understand how you can use your camera, but also what are some easy, fun tips and tricks you can use at home to help your children get a better sleep. So, fact number 1, sleep is critical. That should be a game changer. If you're not already prioritizing sleep for your children, make sure you do. Adults need 7 to 9 hours. Children need at least that. And one of the important parts of not getting good sleep, when keep your kids up late at night, speaking again anecdotally, they tend to wake up even earlier the next morning. So a lack of sleep is not good for anything. The quality of your sleep is important. So do you have a quiet room? Is it dark? Do you have good shades? Is there good air circulation? And what's the mattress like? What are some of the comforting factors you can play or contribute into getting a better, more comfortable sleep that's not as disrupted, right? Consistency is really important. We've learned that with our children of making sure bedtime, as much as they despise a 7 p.m. bedtime, we're very strict about trying to get into our beds by 7 p.m. We might not be asleep, but we're at least in a quiet state, lights out, doing some quiet reading, talking, some storytelling. But there's a consistency 7 days a week of trying to get into bed on time to help our kids formulate good patterns, good habits, and understand the value of going to sleep. Having a sleep disorder like snoring or sleep apnea can really disrupt the quality of your sleep, but also has some really bad health effects. I struggle with my own sleep apnea, and I wasn't diagnosed until my early 20s with sleep apnea. And I wish I'd paid more attention or been much more aware of what bad snoring was. A lot of people at summer camps used to tell me I was a bad snorer, but no one correlated, hey, snoring has other effects. It's your ability to stay focused, your ability to not fall asleep and take naps all day long. How much sugar do you need to stay awake? So understanding snoring matters. It's not just something to laugh about, but hey, there's something you can do about it. Yes, when you go see your family doctor, you want to go in with as much information as possible. Keep a sleep journal, a sleep log. Go in with some information. Go in with an audio recording. Talk to your doctor with some quantified materials. We go to bed on time. Here's what the bed is like. And these are how many disruptions or how many snoring sounds we count every night from our children, regardless of what they eat or don't eat. Right? I'm giving you some nuggets of information that can influence the quality of sleep your children are getting. So we thought, in addition to what was published from using your smartphone to measure or record the audio sounds from snoring sleep apnea, what are 5 quick and easy tips you can try? So get a baseline tonight, measure sleep, measure the snoring, measure the sleep apnea gasps, count how many occur. Then tomorrow night, try a few tips. Try elevating your child's head. Try helping your child sleep on their side. So the whole idea of having a tennis ball in the back of a t-shirt is where this comes from. You can use a body wedge. You can just sandwich your child between 2 pillows. As they toss and turn, it's going to be hard to keep them on their side, but it's an indicator of, will your child have less snoring and less sleep apnea when they sleep on their side? A saline drop, using a dehumidifier or humidifier in the room. So that's going to vary based on what season it is. Do you have the air conditioning on or heat on or your windows open, right? All kind of factors that play into the air quality in that bedroom. Limiting the amount of dairy before bedtime. These are kind of nuggets of information that as a parent you can try to measure, do these actually help my child get better sleep? But they're not just for children. You can use them for yourself as well. I use an audio recording app. I don't want to hold a video camera to try and record my own snoring. I use an audio recording app that then just gives me a quick summary the next morning of how many snoring episodes over a certain decibel threshold did I incur last night while I was trying to sleep during my regular bedtime. Some really easy things you can try to measure and monitor the quality of sleep you're getting. At Remedy, we try to help you or your children wear a very comfortable bumper belt that will help reposition your body so that you can only sleep on your side. You can wear it very loose, keep the shoulder straps snug, and the bumpers are inflatable, and they'll do all the work to help you stay on your side. They're comfortable, they're compact, easy to travel with. If your children are growing, you can adapt, release the Velcro, and keep adjusting the settings over the next 5 or 10 years and help them sleep on their side so they snore less, have less sleep apnea, and wake up feeling refreshed, recharged, and ready for the day ahead. Hope this video helps. Thanks for watching.